Hey Divination, thank you for joining us in this special installment. Today we're sharing the first free theme builder pack that comes with Divi's 4.0 celebration. So we want to give back to you, the community, by providing you with awesome theme builder packs that you can use for your upcoming projects. So if you're not an Elegant Themes member yet, make sure that you check out one of the links in the description below to grab a 10% discount. So without wasting any time, let's take a look at the first theme builder pack and how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at this theme builder pack. So first of all, we have the global header, which you can notice at the top of this page. And then we also have a global footer that looks like this. And in between the header and the footer, we have the post template. So the body of our post will look like this if we install it on our website. And then we also have a product page, which looks like this. So this is the template that you can use for your product page. We also have a 404 page. And last but not least, also a category page template, which looks like this. So if you want to get started with this theme builder pack, you can go to the blog post, which I have mentioned in the description below. And over there, you can download a zipped folder. And once you've unzipped it, you will find a few JSON files. One of them is the all file, which includes all of the templates, but then you have a separate file for each template as well. So once you have these within reach, you can go to your Divi website, go to Divi, theme builder. And over here we have the theme builder interface, and we can upload our JSON files by clicking on the icon in the top right corner, going to the import tab, selecting a file. We're going to choose the all file. And over here we have a few options. So we can choose to override the default website template. We can also allow import to override existing assignments. But if you're just testing things out, we recommend you uncheck these two options, but for now we're just going to leave them the way it is and click on Import Divi Theme Builder Templates. So once these have been added to your theme builder, you can save the changes. And I have a few posts and a product where I can immediately test out the templates and see how they work and what they look like. So this, for instance, has been applied to one of my posts automatically. So in the back end of this post, we're using Gutenberg. And same goes for our products. So the only place we're using the Divi builder is inside the theme builder itself, and it automatically applies to our products, to our posts dynamically. Now, if you want to make changes to your templates, you can go back to your theme builder. And over here, you can open each one of these items. So you can modify the global header using Divi's built-in options. You can do the same thing for the footer, but you can also change the dynamic content of your post template, for instance. So let me just click on this icon over here next to the custom body. So over here, you can notice a lot of dynamic content that's linked to the post and all of its elements. And you can also play around with all of Divi's built-in options over here. So say, for instance, I want to change this overlay. I can do that really easily. So I'm just going to save this, exit it, and save all of my changes. Now, if I go back to my posts, I can view the difference in each of my blog posts. So this color has been changed for each one of my blog posts because it has been changed in the template. So you can basically make these changes to each and every template that you build and create stunning web design using Divi's new theme builder. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying the theme builder and all of the freebies that come along with it. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.